When I was starting my career as a new project manager, I was introduced to Project Charter. One of the first meeting I had to do was a project kickoff meeting. And I remember the project sponsor handing the project charter to me. And I was still new. I didn't really understand the document in detail like until later. But the project charter has some key component I would explain to you so that you're not like me 10 years ago. What is a project charter? We need to start. It's a document that formalizes the project and it's handed from the project sponsor, like the person sponsoring that project, handed to the project manager to say, hey, here's the project. And it would include things like what is the purpose of the project, like the justification, like why are we doing this project? It would include things like high level scope, like what are the main things that this project will deliver. It would include objective, what are the measurable goals for this project, milestones and deliverables, like what are the key results that we want to deliver and when. Stakeholder, who are the high level stakeholders, key individuals that will be involved, like the sponsor, the team members, the customers. It will also contain things like your project management authority, like the project manager that will be working on the project. It defines the PM decision, power making status on the project, and it will talk about some of the high level risk. It will talk about some of the cost benefit, budget, all of those information about financing. It's important that you look out for all of this. And you may say, am I going to be creating a project charter as well? Well, I would say it depends. You may have to contribute to creating or working on a project charter. In fact, I always train my students to make sure that they know how to create a project charter. That way, whatever situation you face, you'll be able to deliver a project charter. And if you're handed one, happy days, you just run with it to implement your project. Let's say we want to implement a marketplace solution. We want to develop like a small business case. Why do we want to do this marketplace solution that allows people to buy and sell? Like your Amazon, right? A company may want to develop that and launch that into the market. But we need to know, okay, why is this important? What problem are we trying to solve? Like, what are the key deliverables? Those things would be documented, as I mentioned, in the project charter to be able to help people understand, yeah, based on all of this, we should do this project. And it is then handed to the project manager so that they can then use that to formulate their planning, kick up the project, and then go through the other phases of the project life cycle, like planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and up to closure. So according to PMI, I love to give you a bit of data to back what I'm saying. Without proper project charter, project will lack formal formalization or authorization, which can lead to confusion because if you don't give that PM the power on the resourcing, high level risk, budget, all of those things, then people will not be sure like what are the resources that are assigned to the project and leads to confusion. Project will ultimately then be at risk of failure.